Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, April 22nd. This is my PM analysis for the US dollar yen. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, link down here in the corner at the end of the video, and take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Make sure to watch the video on the home screen page to learn more about my website. So anyways, on the US dollar yen, we definitely had a really nice push up today. We had a nice break of structure. This morning, I was saying that this big blue block box right here represents like an order block area from the higher time frames. If it was going to make a bounce, it definitely was a really good place to bounce. Now that we got this break of structure, I think we can confirm that this move down is over. I think there's a good chance that on the daily time frame, we have five waves down on the daily. So we got one, two, three, four, five waves down on the daily. There's a good chance that we might end up making a correction now to the whole five waves, which would be someplace between 38 and 78% of that whole move down. So potentially we could be at the very early stages of a pretty decent pullback. It's either going to make some sort of an ABC up to a fib level, which I think is most likely, and then continue the downtrend later on, or it's going to be a complete trend reversal. I definitely think it's going to make some sort of a corrective pattern, which will probably last at least a week or more, probably up to one of these higher Fibonacci levels before we do end up continuing down. So if you are a short time frame trader, now we got to break a structure. I would be recommending longs on these shorter time frames at least. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.